Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Liel Cheri, nutrition specialist and a yoga instructor. This is my 2-year-old baby girl, Milena, and this is my 22 weeks old baby bump. We are super excited to share with you our post-workout recovery smoothie to refuel, re-energize, and recover your muscles after a workout. We just done a mommy and toddler me yoga workout, and we really need this energy to recover afterwards. So what we've got today? Today we're gonna do a berry paradise, very simple recipe, nothing complicated. I will leave you all the ingredients in the description down below. You can find it on my blog. So we've got here spinach, frozen berries, 1 scoop of protein, 1 cup of nut milk, banana, and half squeezed lemon. We're gonna put everything into a blender. Ready? Ready? Wow! Wow! Come on, try it. Try it out. Drink it. Drink it. Drink it. Cheers.
Mommy, go!
Cheers! Drink. All right, there you go, my friends. There you have it. Post-workout recovery berry paradise smoothie. Someone here is really enjoying. Cheers. Stay healthy. Take care of yourself. And if you have any questions, don't ever hesitate to ask. And again, you can find the full recipe and the benefits of this smoothie in my blog in the description down below. Cheers, Milena. Cheers. Cheers. Yeah. So yummy.